In this video, I'll guide you through how to search hotels by amenities on Agoda. If you're planning a trip and you already know you need certain features like a swimming pool, free breakfast, or a gym, using the amenities filters can save you a lot of time and help you find a place that really fits your needs. Let's walk through the process step by step so you can do this confidently on your own. First, open Agoda and search for a destination. You can do this on the website in your browser or in the Agoda app on your phone or tablet. On the homepage, you'll see a search bar where you can type the city, region, or landmark you're traveling to. As you start typing, Agoda usually suggests popular destinations, so you can just tap or click the one you want. Next, choose your basic trip details. Select your check-in and check-out dates and the number of guests and rooms. Getting these details right at the beginning helps Agoda show you accurate prices and availability. Once everything looks correct, go ahead and start your search. Agoda will load a list of available properties in that destination for your chosen dates. Now that you have your search results, it's time to narrow them down using amenities. Look for the filters section on the results page. On a computer, this is usually on the left-hand side of the screen. On a phone or tablet, you might see a filters button near the top or bottom of the results list. Tap or click that to open the full set of filtering options. Inside the filters section, scroll until you find the part labeled amenities or something similar. Here you'll see a list of features that hotels may offer. This can include options like free Wi-Fi, breakfast included, swimming pool, fitness center, spa, parking, airport transfer, pet-friendly rooms, and many others. Take a moment to think about what really matters for your stay. For example, if you'll be working while traveling, reliable internet and a desk area might be important. If you're on a family vacation, a pool or kid-friendly facilities might be a priority. Select the amenities you want by ticking the boxes or tapping on them. You can usually choose more than one at a time. Keep in mind that the more specific and demanding your filters are, the fewer hotels will match, so it can help to start with your absolute must-haves and add more only if you still see plenty of results. Once you've chosen your preferred amenities, apply the filters to see matching hotels. There's usually an apply, show results, or done button. After you tap or click it, Agoda will refresh the list and show only the properties that meet your amenity requirements. From here, you can scroll through the filtered results and compare options. Open any hotel that looks promising and double-check the amenities section on its page to confirm that what you selected really is included, especially for things like breakfast or parking, which can sometimes come with conditions. When you're satisfied, you can move on to reading reviews, checking room types, and completing your booking. That's all you need to do to quickly search hotels by amenities on Agoda and find a stay that fits exactly what you're looking for.